The Great Blizzard of 1888 was a catastrophic winter storm that struck the northeastern United States from March 11th to March 14th. This unprecedented event paralyzed the region with heavy snowfall, high winds, and freezing temperatures. The storm claimed numerous lives and disrupted transportation and communications systems, bringing cities like New York and Boston to a standstill. The blizzard's intensity was exacerbated by a combination of factors, including a rapid drop in temperature and the convergence of multiple weather systems. Amid the havoc, the tragic loss of the Cythera ship added another dimension to the disaster. The vessel, caught in the tempest's fury, faced insurmountable challenges and ultimately succumbed to the unforgiving sea. The aftermath of the Great Blizzard of 1888 prompted advancements in urban infrastructure, particularly in the development of subway systems and improved snow removal techniques.